Hey guys, this is Maria from CanXida's nutrition team, and today's customer question is the Candida diet safe to do with a health condition? The Candida diet may be valuable for people with many different health conditions if followed correctly and not carried on for too long or in too strict a form. A yeast overgrowth can quickly weaken your immune system and leave you vulnerable to diseases. There are many studies on Candida and the onset of autoimmune conditions. Candida can cause an inflammatory response by increasing Th17 cells. These are known to play a role in autoimmune diseases like multiple sclerosis, Crohn's, and arthritis. For example, a study found that Candida can aggravate inflammation in arthritic joints. Other studies have identified the protein sequence in gluten is similar to the protein in Candida yeast and suggest that it may also trigger gluten intolerance. Reducing inflammation in your body is key to getting relief from autoimmune conditions, and diet plays an important role. The Candida diet is centered around anti-inflammatory foods, such as flaxseed, wild fish, berries, vegetables, and spices like turmeric and ginger. People with autoimmune conditions have found that the Candida diet improves their symptoms, including fatigue, lethargy, and aches and pain. The Candida diet also includes food that help to repair the gut and restore the integrity of your intestinal walls, including bone broth, cabbage, and aloe vera, which improves gastrointestinal symptoms. The diet for Candida also has a lot of similarity to the low FODMAP diet that is usually advised for irritable bowel syndrome. The Candida diet is also a low sugar, low glycemic diet, which means it can also be followed with people who have symptoms of insulin resistance, such as prediabetes and diabetes. It has also been shown to be helpful in people with chronic fatigue syndrome. The foods in the Candida diet help to stabilize blood sugar levels, which keep Candida under control, but also improve insulin sensitivity and blood glucose regulation. Within a few weeks of incorporating a low-sugar anti-inflammatory diet like the Candida diet, you may start to feel better and significantly improve many of your health symptoms. We hope this answered your question. If you want to contact us for more information, please email us at support@CanXida.com and we'll get back to you. At CanXida, your health is important to us.